Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you are doing well guys. Today is raining and today's weather is raining and guys, still I am making this video guys, and today's topic is how I am learning thin in English guys. But guys, before I starting my video, my English is not perfect. I am a beginner, I am a learner, I am not a teacher guys, and this is my English journey guys, and I hope you understand me guys. And this topic is truly based on me guys. When I start my video and then I when I think in English, then I first think in Hindi, then I translate to English. Then day by day I learn new things. Then I repeat a new sentence. Then I and if any word I don't understand, then I do search in Google, and then after that I knew what is this word guys. And while recording my video, I would make many mistakes, so please apologize me. And guys, right now I am thinking English little bit, and I am not confident, and I can say how I am thinking English guys. First of all, I follow first step, and day by day I do practice. And when I thinking English, then I translate to my mind, just like I am going to school. This is a glass, and this is a platter, and this is a apple, and this is a tree, and etc. And just like today is raining, and I will eat something, and I eat dinner, and I drink water. Just like I think in my daily life, just like I wake up early in the morning, then after that I go to washroom, then I brush my teeth, and face my hand wash, and etc. And after that I take tea guys. I daily practice in my mind, and really guys, it's really help me a lot. And guys, when I record my video, and when I speaking in front of camera, then I make many mistakes, just like I make grammar mistake, helping verb, and vocabulary words, but still I am record my video, and I am confident. And guys, if you are beginner, then you should follow this step, just like thinking English. And don't think in Hindi, think in English. Just like I drink tea, and this is the apple, this is the tree, and this is the margosa tree, and this is the bulb, and this is the tube light, this is the fan. And you think all of these, and if you don't know this is what is this is, and you can search in Google, so you will get an answer quickly guys. This step I follow every day, and I think in English every day. And day by day I listen English podcast video and English conversation video. And day by day I do shadowing practice. And literally when I watch this video, then I listen, then I repeat. And maybe 20 to 30 minutes I do daily practice in shadowing and listening practice, just like every day. And uh, any any video in suggestion my YouTube, then I click, and after that I listening more and more. Then guys, when I sleeping mode, then I think in English, and I try to little bit think in English guys. But still I am still I am speaking in front of camera, guys. Before time earlier I cannot speak, I cannot speak confident, but I speak English. uh, I, I I know I make mistakes in English, and my grammar is not perfect, and etc. I make many mistakes, but still I am recording my videos. So guys, day by day you should think in English every day. Just like this is a book, and this is a pen, and this is a wheelchair, and this is a chair, and this is a water, and this is a many types of thing you think in, do your mind, guys. I hope this video will helpful for you, guys. Day by day I make videos, and day by day I learn new things. So guys, please don't afraid. Please practice your English, and I do practice in English, and then I after that I make videos. Because why I am make this video, because when I record my video, then I feel confident, guys. So this is my perspective, and this is my goal, and I want to good communicator speaker in our future, in my life, guys. So without don't worry, any people, any children, and any friends who laugh at me, and who what are you saying, I am not saying, guys. When I record my video, and when I speaking in front of camera, then my mind is totally blank, but still I am speaking wrongly, and I don't care. But when I edit my video, then I I knew where I make mistakes. Then I try to improve my mistakes, guys. So guys, this video I hope helpful for you, guys. And we will meet in the next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.